Backyard bees. I'm seeing a swarm of bees. Looks like they're trying to accumulate up there in that tree, but I haven't seen them ball up yet. So I'm going to try to watch them and see what they do. Yeah, there they are. They're starting to ball up right there. See if I make sure I get them. Good size little swarm right there. So I'm going to let them accumulate there for a few minutes, and I'm going to go and get my bee suit on and a ladder and a box, and I'm going to come out here and catch them. Not sure if they're mine. I don't think they are. That's an awful large bunch of bees, but we'll see. Okay, I'm shaking the bees into this box. I'm looking for the queen. I forgot the video when I actually shook them, but basically took a fishing pole with a weight on the end, slung it over that branch, shook them down into this box. But I'm looking for the queen now. When I find her, I'll make a video of it and I'll put her in a little cage, and then hopefully we'll have a new hive. Well, there's a bunch of bees in this box, but I still haven't found the queen. I'm still looking for her. Got to be in there somewhere because the bees are still hanging around the box, otherwise they took off back up in the tree. But I'll be back in a minute. See if I can find her. Okay, I was unable to capture the queen. I did see her, and she's in the box. What I did in order to try to entice her to stay is I took a frame of honey and a couple of blank frames and placed inside the hive to try to entice them to stay. So what I'm going to do now is set her up over next to my other hives and see if she'll stay. I'll check back with them in a couple hours, maybe later this afternoon, and see if they're happy or not. Okay, I placed the swarm I just caught in that small nucleus box right there on the end. They don't seem to be leaving, so that's a good sign. I just placed a pollen patty in there on top. Give them one more incentive to stay. So I'm hoping that they're going to be staying for a while. If that's the case, now I got 9 hives. 9 hives. 9 lives, 9 hives. Anyways, I'll check back with them later. I don't know if you can see that bee right there. She is fanning like crazy. I've always been told that's a good sign. Fanning, that means that they're letting the others know that the queen is there and they're happy. Fanning. So that's a good sign. Maybe they're going to stay. We'll see. Keep saying I'll come back later, but I keep noticing something new and different. But anyways, it's a good sign. It's been about 4 hours since I caught that swarm. And as you can see, the hive is pretty active already, so it seems they've settled in. Lots of bees going in and out. And ones you see buzzing around or orienting themselves to their new home. So anyways, I believe this may be another successful hive. The Lord keeps sending me bees, and I'm thankful for that. This is Dale, Backyard Bees.